Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke and this is going to be a moving vlog. We're moving to New York City today. I say we because I individually am moving, but my parents are so kind in helping me. Be sure to subscribe if you guys are new here to keep up with all of the fun adventures and moving to New York City. So much content's on the way, and I always update my Instagram story with like real-time stuff if that's what you guys are interested in, and doing like little Q&As and things like that on there. So the rundown for today, basically we're meeting my movers that are moving my stuff from Boston to New York today. We're meeting them at, they said between 12 to 3, so obviously we have to get there at 12. Right now we're home on Long Island, so we're gonna drive in. We have a rug here and a few other smaller things that we're bringing, but I'm really excited to get this vlog going. For the moving day number 1, I just went in and curled my hair. I just brushed it out and then curled it with the dry bar wand. And then my outfit, I'm wearing these jeans from Princess Polly. This top is from Nike, but I got it from ASOS. I really like it. It's like the perfect crop, I think, with like, I'm wearing like a mom jean and then just white sneakers, so just casual. The plan for today is pretty much to get this stuff inside, but we're not really gonna do much unpacking or any of that stuff. I think we want to get all the furniture sorted out. I think my mom and I are gonna try to go back to the city in a few days and do like a full organization thing. So we got our masks, I have my money so I could tip, and I have to pay the balance to the movers in cash. So I have that. We're gonna get some water. Gotta bring like a vacuum and cleaning supplies and things like that, and I think we're all set. So we have this big rug running through the whole car. I cannot even believe it fit. We have like the vacuum and stuff, and mom and dad in the front. So off we go. All right, so we just got up. They cleaned it from the last time. Basically, like they told us, they were like, we needed some more time to clean it out. My lease technically didn't even start yet, but they're letting me move in a few days early, which is incredibly nice. So love that. I set up the electricity, but I didn't yet set up the internet, so I need to do that. But look how incredible this is. This is my rug that I had in Boston from Wayfair. I can link it below, and it fits pretty well. It is a little dirty in some parts just from like people's shoes and stuff from when I lived in Boston naturally, but it fits so well. Still trying to figure out like what we're gonna do with all of the space here. It's definitely gonna be tight once all the stuff comes. The movers called, they're like 2 hours away, so we'll be able to go get some lunch now. But the place is so clean, it just looks incredible. I'll give you guys a once over. Super nice. We have like these nice AC units in the windows. And then this is the bedroom now, which I did get a rug for in here too. Big closets. I know I've showed them this a few times now, but just so that you can get an idea. And then in here's the living room. Yeah, the rug definitely looks dirty from this angle, but I feel like once we put the furniture on top of it.
Also, I think what you could do is you could switch it more towards the back, and then when your couch sits there, you won't see it because it will literally be the bottom of the couch.
Okay,
that's why it's
good.
dirty.
Yeah.
That's where it was.
I had this candle that I ordered that I just put. Yeah, it's really great. Super spacious. It'll be interesting to see what we do with the kitchen, because the bar cart's we're gonna put the bar cart there. Oh, they cleaned everything. Like, it's so clean.
The fridge?
Yeah, everything's super clean.
Great.
Wow, I love that. That's for cans?
Yes.
That's super cool. I guess I drink some canned beverages.
That's good for you. What do you
like
mean?
Alcohol and stuff. No, I know, but that's just because companies send me cans.
So
like, yeah. But I do. LaCroix, Bud Light, Seltzer, etc.
Cute freezer, right?
I love that.
So cute.
Yeah, we have to make our own ice. I'm gonna order like a cool ice cube tray or something, because if I'm gonna do ice cubes, I gotta do.
You're gonna have to take up your ice cube game.
Yep. And then the cabinets and everything. I think my mom and I might come back this weekend to do a lot of the cabinet stuff. Did we say?
Yeah.
Because we're not gonna like do that with my dad. It's just unnecessary. It should be pretty good. It's gonna fill up with furniture fast.
That's
just
for sure.
knowing what I have. I have this wrap.
If you need the ranch to dip my little
yummy breakfast food. We just got a box delivered, which is going to be a rug. I cannot even believe that they brought it in rug format, if I'm being honest. The rents are going to cut it open. We just got lunch at a little diner, and now we have like 1 hour until the movers come with all the stuff. So we're gonna get stuff done. Wow, they really tightly packed that, huh?
Yeah, it's very cute. Hopefully it fits.
Well, Dad said he could cut it. What?
Is that what I said?
Yeah, he did say that.
No, ask go the other.
Okay. So rotate.
Yep.
I can link this rug below, by the way. This is
Let's
from
see.
Wayfair.
Lift up.
It was like $100, I think. It actually fits the space quite nicely, though. I mean,
maybe a little bit more than you even. I like it.
once it's all flattened out, it will look good. What about the door?
It already looks good.
Ugh.
Yeah, but are you ever closing it? I hate to be like that. I guess when you have people over, you will.
Yeah, but that's like once in a blue moon, I guess, yeah.
Closing it's okay, it's opening it that might.
Okay.
Yeah, but once you put furniture on it and it's stuck on the ground, it will be fine. It's not going to do that because you can have a
The dresser
there.
will be here.
Yeah.
Looks good. We're waiting for the movers still. All is good. I feel like we're really just waiting for stuff to arrive at this point. Dad's like waiting for them. Just chilling. All right, the movers are here now, so we're putting on our masks, covering up. Woohoo! Lamp in a box. Wow, we got a lot of stuff, guys. This is very tightly packed.
And then this mirror could go in that space. You got to imagine this being not
heavy lifting.
on an angle.
My dad's really the hustler.
These are always
The goat. Yeah, this is a snug fit. A lot of people have been asking if Adina's Jewels is your company.
No.
They're like, it's your mom's business? I always see you and Danielle like buying from the
That's so
I'm like,
funny.
no.
Tell them what I told you that you should.
I told them that, well, my mom was like, you should contact Adina's Jewels and say it, because they make all of their samples that they do, they put the word Adina as like a sample, of course. I mean, my mom told me that she would take the samples. Oh, look, they're moving in. The carts are back there. The moving truck is done there. The bedroom is tight.
You only have one. You're doing a lamp. One of your lamps.
Yeah, one of my lamps. I don't know what we'll do with the other one per se, but we'll just have to figure that out. You guys, it is snug in here. I'm standing right by the closet now, and it's pretty much a bedroom, I just said to my mom, because it's literally just the bed. I knew it would be tight. When we were looking at it empty, I was like, this is gonna be snug. Look at all this stuff, wow. Bye, thank you. Nice job, everybody. Mostly high fives to my dad and my mom because they're the goats. Dad has been doing everything.
He always does.
Look at this. Blanket used to be hanging. I had like one of those ladder things for decoration, but we put it on the bed. I'm not sure about the pillows either. Actually, while we're on the topic, I ordered some removable wallpaper for this wall just because the whole apartment's just really, really white. And the wallpaper I got, it's like a peachy pink color. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It is worth a try. I just thought it would look cool on this wall and then like leave every other wall white, but just for like a pop when you walk in. And then my neon sign maybe will go on this wall too. Definitely not done. But yeah, here I can show you guys the closet progress. This is kind of like challenging because you can't open it all the way, but like it kind of is what it is right now at least. And then this is the closet progress. We are gonna keep the dresser in here because it is really, that's just the best place for it. And then my room doesn't have to be cluttered and stuff. Yeah. And this is what we have so far. That mirror is from Target, and then I have to set up the Alexa and things like that. But really clean, just white looking, very simple.
And we'll move this because this could easily go in here.
New
Look.
glass straws, you guys.
Look, they could go in here.
Yeah, totally. Nice. All right, so we're leaving now. We got a lot done today. All thanks to my dad, pretty much, and my mom. The TV is set up here, furniture. I'm waiting for, like, the thing that kind of just sucks is that I don't have a couch, a chair, any of that stuff. So that's why I can't really live here right now. I think we're gonna plan that I'll move in next week. It feels so good. A bar cart set up, love it. We're going back because my dad really wants it. Nice. Hi guys, it's the next day. I literally just woke up, so my face is a little puffy right now. Not serving the best of looks, but before I went to bed yesterday, I placed some orders online. I'm back on Long Island, by the way. I guess I didn't even address that. I'm planning to move to the city early next week. It's pretty much livable, like everything's in place. I do need to set up the internet still. There are just a few other things, like I don't have a couch right now, so I'm like dealing with that whole situation. So I feel like it would be hard to live there without a couch, just because I actually don't have a table yet either, so there's just like a few things that it's not really livable yet, but I was able to mostly move in, and then hopefully early next week or like middle next week I'll be able to move in for good. But regardless, I wanted to show you guys some things that I purchased yesterday for the apartment while I'm here on Long Island for a few more days. So first up, in terms of coffee makers, I guess, I had an espresso and a small Keurig, which I both donate. Well, the Keurig, I actually don't know what we're doing with the Keurig. That might be buried somewhere in my boxes, but I wanted to get a new Nespresso because I donated my other Nespresso to this house. We have it downstairs now, but I wanted to show you guys the Nespresso that I got for my apartment. I love it. Definitely a splurge item, quite expensive if you ask me, but I've been eyeing it for a few months, and I saw my friend Kenzie Elizabeth got it, and I was like, all right, I have to do it. Yeah, this is it. It is the Latissima Silky White. I really like it because it's just espresso pods. So the Virtue line basically is what I've had, and that you can make coffee or espresso, but this one is just espresso, so you put a capsule on the top, and then there's a little milk frother on the side. I love how it's like white and neutral looking, so we'll like match my apartment, for lack of a better phrase. And then I also ordered some stuff for the bathroom, a bathroom shower liner, a bathroom trash bin, some door stoppers, because the doors are pretty heavy, so when we want to like be in one room, like you need like a little, you know what I mean, like a little square door stopper. They're like $10 online. I still need to get a shower curtain, some new hand towels and things like that. So that's all on the list for like home goods. Pretty much if I was able to order it online, I did, but like if it's like linens or things like that, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I still need to get a shower curtain. I have a shower liner. I like to replace those every few months anyways because they get kind of moldy. It's a little gross. Just the shower liner, the shower curtain you could reuse. But I wanted a new shower curtain for this place. Towels and a bathroom mat, like for the floor. You know, when you get out of the shower, so you're not like just wet on the floor. And then what else did I get for my bedroom and stuff? Oh, I ordered a bed skirt so that I could actually utilize, I didn't do this in my old apartment because I didn't really need to, just for more storage, that I could put like sliding bins underneath my bed, and then it's covered by the bed skirt, so that's really cool. And then I ordered that removable wallpaper. I actually want to check that. That was from Etsy. I'm actually calling to set up my internet now, so I'm just gonna end off the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. There will be more comprehensive like moving organization vlogs too. Obviously that was just like getting all my stuff in, and I think my mom and I are gonna go tomorrow and organize stuff, so even more then. Subscribe if you guys are new. Love you the most, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye guys.